130 flags that fly from Memorial Day to Veterans Day. They are spaced 6 feet apart, and the flags are 4 foot by 6 foot, so theoretically, if they're straight out, they will not be touching each other. We were lucky this year because the Cub Scouts came and swapped out all 130 flags on the poles as a project. And this year we had about 15 Vietnam veterans that came, and we put them up in about half an hour and just had a great ceremony, a great time. And it's fun to watch them feel the pride. You can just see the pride in their faces when they're putting these flags up. Some of them salute the flags after they put them up, and just so beautiful to see the red, white, and blue.
These flags, they have so much meaning and so much feeling. I like to come up here when it's dead quiet, maybe 12, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, and sit in the gazebo, and I can hear these flags just whipping. Nice soft breeze, and it reassures me that I'm safe, that my loved ones, my friends are safe because of the red, white, and blue.
We have been lucky to have even young kids in elementary school to come and help. And once they get a taste of putting these flags up, they never want to miss it. So we see grandpas bringing their grandkids here and putting up these flags. They'll carry them two together, and they just have a fabulous time doing it. And it just gives you renewed faith in America to see the young people energized and taking ownership in this beautiful Veterans Park.
We get a turnout, and it's really fun. Sometimes I kind of sneak off in the corner and I watch all these little bees running around, and you can just see the joy in their faces. They put it in the ground. Or that grandpa that's helping his grandson and granddaughter get these heavy flags into the ground or carry them across the park. What joy it brings us.
2 fundraisers that I started when we built this park. First, I reprinted the Lake Mills graphic Victory Edition. I've made 2,000 copies and sold them to raise money. And each flag that we put up has a plaque on it to who sponsored it for $100 each. We didn't want to make it a hardship. They sold immediately, and they helped us get the park started, get the money going. We also got a $15,000 grant from the Lake Mills Foundation, which got us rolling in the right direction. We have a print made, and we still have about 50 copies of it for as a fundraiser. We're trying to sell them for $100 a piece. They're a beautiful print that shows the Freedom Rock, the flags. You can see the tank, and it has fireworks in the background, and it's just very, very patriotic and a beautiful treasure. I keep them at my store, which is Christensen Interiors. It's just a block up the street, and they're available if anyone wants to stop in and get one for $100.